We are pleased to show you the 2007 Milan. All Milan models offer abundant space and the latest in technology. The standard 2.5-liter 16V Duratec i4 engine is a gas miser, delivering up to 34 miles per gallon highway. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.